Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and let's start the video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger's creator room not showing up. So if you guys can see, there's a create room button over here on my Messenger, but if you guys Messenger is not showing this up, then I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can fix it. So the first thing is, this creator room is basically like Zoom, right? You can create a conference room and you can invite a lot of people, and then share your screen, video chat, do a classroom and stuff, and meeting other stuff. It's literally similar to Zoom but in Messenger version. All right, so yeah, that's the basic feature of this create room, and it's really new. So if you guys aren't seeing this on your Messenger, then basically what this problem is your Messenger is not up to date. So for this, you need to go to your Play Store and check if your Messenger is up to date or not. So you want to go to your Play Store and you want to search for Messenger. As you guys can see, there's an open button in my Messenger. If there's an update button instead of open button in your Messenger, then be sure to update it, because this is a new feature and you need the latest version of Messenger to have it. And after updating your Messenger, if you still don't see that button, then basically hold on your Messenger, click on app info. We're basically gonna offload Messenger. Basically doing that, all the data and cache stored in your Messenger will be deleted, and you need to relog in into your Messenger, and hopefully it should be available. Then click on clear data over here, click on clear. This should do it. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then just delete Messenger and reinstall it again, and you should have that button. But if that button still doesn't appear, then there's a other way to fix this problem. Basically, you want to open your Facebook and log in into your Facebook account to which your Messenger is connected with, and you can see a create room button over here. As you guys can see on your Facebook, there's this room button. It does the same thing. All right, so you can just click on it and create a room. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix this. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my another video. Bye bye until then.